What's up, guys? So we're back out on our way to a bando, but we stopped off because we found this boat. We're going to do a bit of freestyle around the boat and maybe a bit of cinematic. But we're here with the lads. We're here with Dizzy Heights. We've got Chrissy Boy and Barbecue FPV, who's flying at the moment over there. So it's a pretty cool spot, actually. There's a gap over there by the doorway and a window, and then over the back of there's like a little split S gap. What we're trying to do, and we're going to try and go through that line and split us over the back and maybe do a power if I can. Let's go.
No one else sees. In the underground, we're living low key. Can give you peace here in your mind. And as I found no place in the dead of night to come alive. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Follow me into the
Right, we've got to the bando, but it's pretty dark here. I'll show you what the bando looks like. So it's this bando over here. It's pretty decent, actually. But I've got my plane with me, so we're probably going to try and do a flight with that from on top of the roof, because at the moment there's a container tank right out there. So we're going to try and fly that. But yeah, we'll do a couple of packs here because it's already dark, so we'll see what we can do. We'll do probably one or two and that'll be it. Get moving. Here we go.
No way we're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Whoa, follow me.
Mm.